Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by closing Excel and verifying all work is saved. This prevents file corruption. Once done, check Task Manager for any Excel, exe background processes and end them. Next, note your Excel version and installed add-ins so you can reinstall if needed. Make sure to enable hidden items in File Explorer and navigate to %appdata% and %localappdata% as the first actionable directories. This immediate preparation reduces mistakes and puts you in the right folders to remove cache files safely. Now you'll locate the cache files and remove them step by step. First, open %localappdata%\Microsoft\Office and inspect Excel and Office document cache folders. These hold temp spreadsheets and cached data. Carefully delete the contents of temp, cache, and Excel-related temp folders. Do not remove parent folders, only files. If you use OneDrive or Office Upload Center, open it and clear the Office document cache there as well. When done, empty the recycle bin so Windows releases space and locks on those files are removed. Finish by restarting your PC. This ensures locks are cleared and temporary handles are released. Then reopen Excel and verify your templates, add-ins, and recent list function correctly. If something breaks, run a quick Office repair from Control Panel or Settings and re-enable your add-ins one at a time to isolate causes. One key troubleshooting tip: if files keep reappearing or Excel behaves oddly, check disk permissions and your antivirus or OneDrive sync quarantines. Those can recreate cache files or block deletions, so adjust settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.